Thank you to Squarespace for sending us to CES 2016 this year. Check out their link in the video description down below. Alright guys, we're checking out the Aorus VR backpack. This thing's pretty sick. It works with the Aorus X7 DT, which has a desktop 980 in it, so it should be pretty powerful. The demo that they used here today was Battlefield, but okay, what is this thing? For a while now, people have been doing really ghetto-ass, kludgy solutions for being able to run like a desktop rig off of their back, or even a laptop with like a chopped up backpack or something, so that they could play VR with the rig mounted on their back. This helps in a lot of ways. It makes it so that you're more mobile, and it also makes it so that the cable isn't a problem, which is really annoying if you want to be moving around for your VR experience. This thing's pretty cool. It's fairly easy to strap the laptop in. The whole unit with the laptop and the backpack is only 3.5 pounds, so it weighs like basically nothing when it's on your back. There's a chest strap which keeps it locked in place nice and tight. There's pouches on the side of the belt, which I actually didn't try on this extended belt thing, but that's fine. The one pouch is to hold the controller. They're having ideas that maybe in the future they'll be able to mount a semi-curved battery on the back so that you can have extended battery life on your laptop. And then for the touch controllers that'll later be coming for the Oculus, they're thinking of having little holsters for the touch controllers. This is pretty sick, but there are some problems. Like, for instance, when we look at the gun, they were playing Battlefield, so this was one of the things that you aimed with. The gun and the headset controlled where you looked. So it was kind of weird, because if you look to the left and move the gun to the left, instead of having your screen just look to the left a little bit, it did both of those movements, meaning that it totaled to like here. So it felt a little unnatural when you're playing, but I don't actually think that's the problem of the backpack. That's just some other things that need to step up and get to that level. Now, there's some things that they can help with this as well. It's a standing experience, but you don't move because there's no tracking for your legs. So I was playing Battlefield and just using the little thumbstick controller on the gun to actually move around, which is not ideal. But if you use something like a Vive, this might be a much better solution. Or if you have a Kinect set up so that you can actually see what your legs are doing, so there's actually any point to be standing at all, then that's pretty cool. This is still an early revision. The Rift isn't out yet, the Vive isn't out yet, so obviously this doesn't really need to be out yet. That's fine. There's some things that are going to be changing. One of them, hopefully, my suggestion, is that they're going to open up the compatibility for laptops in the back, maybe with Velcro straps to tie things down or whatever. Yeah, more Aorus laptops would be great. More laptops in general would be great as well, because the more things that work with this, the more other people are going to try to make things that also work with this that aren't necessarily laptops, which is super, super important. Wearing it felt very comfortable, and all it really made me want was more of these things and a bunch of dudes, and basically what you'd think of as laser tag, but an actual video game in like a laser tag arena, because that would be super freaking awesome to run around with VR headsets and play laser tag, essentially, but have it look like Battlefield. That would be super cool. It's a relatively simple concept, but I think they kind of nailed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and thank you to Squarespace for sending us here to CES 2016. If you want to set up a website, a simple website for something like maybe a VR arcade where people wear backpacks with laptops on them and shoot each other with fake guns, that would be great. You could do that on Squarespace. You could set up a commerce module so people could buy tickets to your thing relatively easily. You can use their templates so it looks really good, even if you're not a very aesthetically tuned person. And if you have any problems with it, there's live chat support and 24/7 email support, whatever you need. Hit up Squarespace, www.squarespace.com/Linus, and use offer code Linus to get 10% off. Squarespace, build it beautiful. Stay subscribed to Linus Tech Tips to see all of our CES 2016 content. I'll catch you guys next time.